Happy Sunday, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝗙𝗶𝗱. For those who don't know, my name is 𝗙𝗶𝗱. For those who know, thank you for coming back, bitches. Okay, I really should not be cursing on YouTube because you know, I don't know why, you know, but like you just know. Anyway, guys, so today I'm going to be filming, or right now, sorry, that's like a air purifier thing. I think I should get one of these things at my house. If you guys know what this is called, I can just Google it also. But like, if you guys know like a good brand for like an air purifier, please tell me in the comment section. I want my house to smell good, you know, especially when I take a dump. But what I was gonna say is, so I'm going to be filming a Sunday reset vlog, and of course my vlog is different from all the Sunday resets you've seen, obviously, not just because it's me and you guys love me so much, but because if you watch like other Sunday reset vlogs, they start like, you know, in the morning you wake up, I'm gonna use the whole day to reset. But you know, students like us, like me, like you watching this video, we ain't got time for that. Like, we have to work on Sundays sometimes, some of us, you know, 9 to 5 or 10 to 5, whatever, and you don't have like the whole day to like enjoy yourself, to take care of yourself and all this kind of stuff. So you have to make do with the time you got. Just look at how cool this toilet is. I'm in the toilet, guys, if you guys didn't know. But look, with like posters and stuff, I'm gonna make a poster for myself. I've been thinking about doing it for a while now. I should not just think, but I should do it. For every time someone new, for example, comes into the toilet, they're gonna, that's how you promote yourself, guys. But anyway, I was gonna say it's 5:21 p.m. right now. I woke up this morning. I should be changing while I'm talking because I have to make it to the sauna. But I woke up this morning and I was like, I need to get these toxins out of my body because I've been out. Yesterday was Friday, guys, so you guys should be seeing the Halloween vlog before this one. Actually, you guys should be seeing the Halloween vlog before this one, and if you haven't seen the Halloween vlog and you're watching this vlog, go check it out. But yesterday we went out with Dan and it was her birthday, you know, so she was like, yeah, Megan, let's turn it up. And I was like, okay, but I got work at 10 o'clock, so let's not turn it up too much. But we turned it up, came home at 5 a.m, slept till 9 a.m. You guys can calculate how many hours that is. I was like, man, you gotta go to work, you gotta travel, you know. Two of them came from Hungary, you know, to celebrate Tan's birthday, which I think was so cute. But back to the story. I woke up this morning and I was like, okay, I'm going to need, excuse me, I just need to pee. That was nice. Back to the story again. I was like, oh, wouldn't it be nice to like use the sauna directly after work, and then just, because you have it for like an hour and a half, or when you book it, you can use it for an hour and a half. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so this is the fit. Why am I posing in the toilet for no random reason? But I have an exam, my second exam on Wednesday. So basically in like 3 days time. Jesus. But I am not, it's not like I'm not ready, I am ready, but like I don't feel confident in what I know. Well, actually I do feel confident in what I know. I don't feel confident in talking about the references because I know what I'm supposed to do, and it's like a dialogue in a way, or like role play with a client who is an actor. So they're going to like fake the role basically. Let's just say, for example, a 10-year-old child whose parents are getting divorced and the child is acting out, you know. So it's gonna be like, how can you find out what the issue is? How can you, you know, comfort the person? How can you acknowledge the person? How can you empower the person? And not just look at them as like their problem, because it's not like a guy, an angry child, you know, it's maybe like a child with anger issues instead. So it's like I know what to do in the situations, I just don't know who said it in which book. That's the thing, and that's important. Guys, the time is 5:26. I should go. Skin feeling good. The camera is so foggy, you guys can't even see. So they made this Halloween thing in the forest for the kids. I'm checking it out right now. Scary. I think he's building a grave or something. Ah, yeah. I love it. Oh my god. I see something, guys. Maybe that's the highlight of the night. Okay guys, I've come all the way here. I'm not that scared, or it's a bit scary, but I'm gonna go back because I ain't got time to walk all the way. I wanna go sit down and plan. But I'm gonna show you guys my skin when I get there because the sauna did its job, baby. Buns. They look better when it's the whole thing, but I need to learn how to bake, or not. I don't need to, but I want to. Imagine baking your own bread. Dropping alla älä. Jag spiste så mycket choklad. Nej. Mellan 10 och 20. Ja, jag såg det.